I'm riding down the highway with my rig in tow. These idiots all around don't know where to go. Flip-flops and bad driving, it's a damn disgrace. I keep my wheels turning just to stay in the race. High costs weigh heavy, I'm just trying to cope. Freight rates drop low, but I'm trying to hold hope. Oh, I'm driving this big rig through the night with a heart full of grit and a future in sight. We'll raise a toast to the brotherhood strong in this crazy truck life where we all belong. Long hours on the dock, waiting for that load. While they cut the rates, I'm still hauling the road. But come Friday night, I'll crack a cold beer. Forget all the idiots, it's the best time of year. Man, this life ain't easy, but I'll keep it alive. With the rumble of trucks, it's how we survive. Oh, I'm driving this big rig through the night with a heart full of grit and a future in sight. We'll raise a toast to the brotherhood strong in this crazy truck life where we all belong. So here's to the long haul, the hard work we showed. On weekends we're kings, let the good times flow. Oh, I'm driving this big rig through the night with a heart full of grit and a future in sight. We'll raise a toast to the brotherhood strong in this crazy truck life where we all